Good day, my name is Dele Ayimibo, and you're welcome to another edition of Sharing Trade Information on Global Trade Tutor on YouTube. Today, we'll be looking at how to export leather products, or what you can call leather article. Leather product, or what you can call leather article. Of course, we are very much aware of what leather products really are all about. For example, the fact that it used to produce shoes, used to produce bags, used to produce wallet, and a number of things that you can use leather to produce. And there are different kinds of leather anyway, from full grain leather to top grain leather, to corrected grain leather, to bonded leather, to suede, and of course to exotic leather. There are different kinds of leather, and it's important when you are supplying, you are sure of the kind of leather that the buyer is looking for the product for which the buyer has requested for. And of course, leather product can go from clothing to footwear to accessories to furniture, even the interior of automobiles to luggages and bags and personal accessories, even including sport equipment. But do you have an idea of the demand for leather product and leather article in the world? Leather article in the world demand is almost $100 billion. Almost $100 billion. The question you should be asking is, who are those buying these leather articles? Who are the major buyer of the leather articles? Who are those requesting for it? Who are those interested in the leather article that is making the demand to be so high in the world? Remember, the demand is about $100 billion. We have about 2 billion of that is from Africa. So the demand of Africa for leather product is very low. So if you are looking for market for leather product, I don't think you should be looking at Africa. And the demand in South America also is similar to Africa, about $2 billion. And the demand even in Oceania, Australia, is also very low, about $2 billion. But in the North American market, United States, Canada, Mexico, about $21 billion, of which 80% of that market, of that region, of that continent is just only from America, United States of America. $31.5 billion is the demand of the Asians for leather product. But guess what? The largest demand for leather product is from Europe. $36.5 billion. So majority of the demand reside within Europe. About 60% of, more than 60% of global demand is between Europe and Asia. Is between Europe and Asia. So who is the largest buyer of leather products? It's America. 18% of leather product demand is from the United States of America. About 18% of the almost $100 billion demand for leather products. Almost $100 billion demand for leather product. This is followed by Germany, very distant second, about 6%. Then France, about 5%. Japan, about 5%. China, about 4.5%. So if you are looking for market to sell your leather product, either you look at United States, or you go to Europe, or you go to America. So Europe or Asia. Europe or Asia. Now, how then do you package leather product? Of course, in packaging leather product, you want to select packaging materials that provide adequate protection against damage during transit and storage. Common options include using cardboard boxes, or using corrugated carton, or using wooden crate, or using pallet to ensure that the packaging material are sturdy, moisture resistant, and appropriate for the size and the weight and the type of leather that you are trying to export. Now, because it's not a food item, the beauty is that the documentation requirement is not much. The documentation requirement is not much. The document requirement for this product is just regular product, a regular document like the bill of lading evidence of shipment, the invoice for demanding for payment, the packing list showing the way it was packed, and then the certificate of origin showing where it was manufactured. And in the case of some country, export declaration in Nigeria, you declare by doing NXP, and then fill your NXP, attach the pro forma invoice and export certificate, and do your clearing with custom, getting the SGD and CCI, And then, of course, the shipping document that you are sending to the buyer. The shipping document they are sent to the buyer. Because it's not a food item, NAFDAC is not involved. Now, but some country might need the ask for certificate. Why? Because that is needed for the plant-based material used in tanning or finishing the product. That's the vegetable dyes. Vegetable dye. Of course, you might also need an inspection certificate. Inspection certificate now from the inspection agent inspecting the item for export. Remember the process involved in exporting this product. It starts with preparation, preparing to export. That means you learn exactly how to find buyer and how to export. From preparation, you know how to promote to get buyer. When you get the buyer, then you have the purchase order being signed. And then you procure the goods, you label it and package it, do your pre-export documentation, do the port clearance at the port of origin, do your post-export documentation, then port-to-port shipment, presentation of document to the buyer, and of course port clearance at destination, and after which payment is made. Now, getting buyer for this product, I would just recommend you get Eureka Pack. Eureka Pack is a solution for you in getting buyer for this product. Eureka Pack is this, and you can also get what we call the export hack. In fact, recently we came up with the product we call the Eureka Plus Plus. You will see it showing on the screen, Eureka Plus Plus. Eureka Plus Plus combines how to find buyer plus how to export leather product. It combines how to find buyer for leather product plus how to export leather product plus 5 active buyers of leather product in the destination you are looking for. 5 active buyers of leather product in the destination you are looking for. And if you are looking at getting data, you need market intelligence. Who are those buying a particular product in a particular country, particularly in Europe, in North America? We can also assist with such service. Before I close, I always want to ensure I do not finish this session without talking about the pitfalls. So what are the pitfalls in exporting leather article? Number one is color variation. Inconsistency in color of the leather article you are using. So there must be quality control to ensure color variation does not become an issue. And this is very, very important. Sizes and thickness variation in the leather. Quality control is important to ensure you use leather of consistent sizes and of consistent thickness. Then unpleasant odor from improper processing or storage or contamination during transit. And this can be prevented by ensuring that this product is well stored and there is air circulation during processing and storage to prevent buildup of odor. Implementing hygiene protocol to maintain cleanliness in the production facility can help to fix this. There are different products. Leather product can be exported, and in Nigeria we have leather production going on. You can get leather production, work with people who are into production of the item you want to sell to the market. There are different articles of leather. Which of them do you want to export to the market? Which one of them is your buyer asking for? Talk to the people who are producing and let them do a contract manufacturing for you. I believe this video has been of enough benefit to you on how to export leather article. My name is Dele Ayemibo and I'm your export doctor, and I'm signing out. Thank you very much for visiting the Global Trade College, Global Trade Tutor. We actually have a website called Global Trade College, where we have our e-learning plan, where we have a lot of products, a lot of online courses to help international trade. But this particular YouTube channel is Global Trade Tutor, and I'm the Global Trade Tutor, your export doctor, signing out. Bye-bye. See you in the next video, and bye for now.